Good morning! So it's our first full day on Cat Bar, and there's only one main reason you lot come to Cat Bar. Introducing Halong Bay. Right, we've been warned we're getting on these kayaks. It's an absolute mission. Oh. You know, if anybody's going to fall in, you've heard the drill. It's going to be me.
Here you go. Lady first, which means we've got a woman driver.
Then you've had one country. Right. I think I've got a bloody steer, didn't it? Guys, vagina cam. You're literally in vagina cam right now. Don't worry, it's clean. He's just a poor boy from a poor family.
Sparing his life from this monstrosity.
Easy come, easy go, la 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 la, we'll still not go. If you thought I was ungraceful getting on, you should have seen the scene that I caused getting off. Yeah, it's a fish farm, kind of grew up on one, so back on the boat, hopefully we'll get some food, because I'm freaking starving. That's hard work, that is. Where's he gone?
For those of you that are intrigued on how these limestone rock formations have been created over the last 500 million years, you're just going to have to Google the science behind it. I tried looking at it last night, 3 pages worth. Google it yourself.
Right, stop number 2. You get the option to jump into the freezing cold water, go snorkeling. But you've all seen the Filipino vlog, so you all know why I'm not jumping in. Plus, it was frigging freezing this morning. Oh, yeah, I bet that's bloody freezing. Yeah, Mr. Ringsting, are you going in? Oi, Lenoa.
Haven't bought me trunks.
No, but it's got his best man boxers on and they're really tight ladies. You would love it. Yeah, not today. stop. We've come to Monkey Island. Soaking, just jumped in a little bit premature there.
Yeah, we had a boat crash as well. We're going to look for this famous little hike. Apparently it's a good viewpoint. See if we can find it.
Yeah, obviously it's Monkey Island, so there's shitloads of monkeys. I'm going to put the microphone away, so we're going to sound a bit muffly at times, but these little shits ain't running off with this spring pride and joy. Let's go. Guys, what I will say is from the footage you can see now, there isn't any steps. It's more of a hike. Anybody suffering with bad hips or bad knees or anything like that, or if you're like me, just bloody lazy, just be prepared. There isn't any health and safety here. We have heard a few horror stories. I mean, look at this for a climb down. So if you are doing it, you might want to lay off the beer. But the views, yeah, they're kind of worth it. All the details of our tour will be linked in the description box. Guys, if you're new to our channel, give us a thumbs up if you like it. Feel free to ask us any questions. Hit the subscribe and we will see you actually on Cat Bar, because there's plenty more to show you on this beautiful island.